Right, well, we're in the pit lane of the Estoril Grand Prix track and we're about to do a lap, not an Ayrton Senna lap, but we'll try and show you what the BM's made of. It offers 4 different drive modes, one of which is purely economy, Eco Pro they call it, and a comfort mode in which the stability control, of course, interferes with fun. So we'll go into the sport mode. There is one beyond sport plus, but I think for the purposes of this exercise we'll leave it in sport. It is a wonderful drivetrain. It's a ZF 8-speed gearbox, paddle shifts of course, a manual mode, and I'll have to show you what you can do with the manual mode, because normally the car, when you run it out, changes up of its own volition, even when you get to the red line, which is 7,000 revs, at which point it just sounds so smooth, so fluent, and shifts gears in a wonderfully seamless way. A little bit of understeer there, but if we go, and this is what I wanted to show you, if we go across to manual mode, and we're in, well, I'm going into Sport Plus, so I'm cheating a little bit here. You can hold the engine in gears. It's changing up at 7. I hope you can hear something of the engine note above the wind noise, a little bit of wind noise, but a terrific driving position, very comfortable. Too early there on the apex, way too early. You're a donkey, Peter. Stability cutting in, but very gently. Powerful brakes. I don't know how long they'd last on a racetrack, but that's all right. It's not a track car. That's the M4, which comes along later this year. But it's just a very enjoyable car to drive, even if out on the road I actually prefer it in comfort mode, because I think the steering is more fluent. But feel the way that picked up a gear. Oh, it's beautiful drivetrain. That's one reason why it is Bavarian Motor Works. They really know how to make engines, this mob. And you can just set the car up on the throttle, and it's nearly neutral. Just enough adjustability. So not a super fast lap, no sideways motoring. We were told we're not allowed to do that, no oversteer. So we're playing by the rules. Anyway, it's a very impressive piece of machinery. Need to be, of course, at $110,000, but well done, BMW.